Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you how you can configure your working hours using the scheduling widget in Titan Web. So what I mean by this, here is my example. I have a scheduler widget, and our end users are able to select someone who they want to set up a meeting with. Then they can choose what meeting type they would like to have. And then here they're able to select a day and select a time that they would like to meet with. So let me show you how I configured the user's profile or user's working hours to limit what days and times the end users are able to book a session. So I used operating hours, and I set up an operating hours for both my employee and myself. And then under operating hours, you can see the user that it's a lookup to. And then there's also time slots related to this object. So the object that we will be mapping is actually time slots, and you can see all of the days of the week and what hours I work that day. So most of the week I work 8 a.m. to 6 p.m., but Tuesdays and Wednesdays I do not work at all, and so I configured that to be 12 a.m. to 12 a.m. so that I am not available that day for sessions. So let me show you how I map that or configure this in Titan Web. How we do this, to drop in your scheduler widget, you'll go to the plus sign, go to widget, you would drag and drop your scheduler widget into the project. Then you'll map your profile, meeting types, events, and now we're doing availability. So to configure your working hours, you can select here to configure it from Salesforce. And for me, I use the time slot object, and time slot and operating hours are both standard objects in Salesforce, so they're very easy to adapt to your company so that you can use this scheduler widget for your clients. So I chose time slots, and next we need to map it so that we are seeing the working hours of the person that the user selected. So I have both Paige and Fran as options for who they will schedule with. And because of that, I want to see Paige's schedule when they select Paige and Fran's schedule when they select Fran. So I did this by looking up the operating hour ID from the time slot, and then I'm referencing the user. And so to show you that in Salesforce, I'm going from the time slots, then I'm going to the operating hour ID. So I'm looking at this record, and then I am looking at the user right here. So it's me. And so I'm saying the user equals the scheduler user that was selected. Nice. And then I can map my fields. And these fields are standard fields within the time slot object in Salesforce. So that was very easy to be able to map those out. And then I clicked apply and save, and now I can preview my scheduler. So when we choose Paige, let's look at Paige's working hours. She is available 8 to 6 every day except for Tuesday and Wednesday. So when we look here, let's go to the new year, we can see that you can click on any of the dates except for Tuesday and Wednesday. And then when we choose a date, you're able to select appointment anytime between 8 and 6. And there you go. I hope this is helpful, and thank you for watching this video.